Our car, Chrysler 300C, went for MOT test. That's in UK, Ministry of Transport roadworthiness test. And because they do test vehicle thoroughly, especially brakes, I think they applied bit of force on the brake pedal, and that caused my front left brake to sort of seize up a little bit. I felt it yesterday. This hub got a bit hot, so I'm going to take it apart, clean it up and check it all over. Right, what I did, took caliper apart, cleaned up everything, used the copper grease on the seats where the pads are sitting on a cradle and behind the caliper. Then retracted the caliper pistons, both of them, a couple of times with a clamp, hand clamp. Then jumped in the car, pressed the brakes a few times to actually compress the caliper, and then came out and tried just by hand retract it, and you can see how much movement I get just by hand. So I'm going to press the brakes again. Now just pump it up. Don't need engine running, or you can have engine running. Now you can see that brakes are tight, and then I can just apply some pressure to them, to the caliper, and slacken it off again. So I'll repeat that process a couple of times just to make sure that it's all running nice and smooth. It's all good. I've done the test a couple of times, and now it's ready to put the wheel back on.